Welcome to my life as I live it. I'm Army Princess, the mother, wife, and soldier, and I want to share this journey with you. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe now so you don't miss a moment of it.
If you're with me, women, let me hear you say.
Guys, welcome to our video. Mommy's about to take a bath, and me and Mommy are falling in love.
Falling in love?
I love my Mommy so much.
I just finished my makeup and my eyes are watering. Don't do this to me. So I just finished my makeup. You can see my lights in there in the bathroom, and we are about to start this photo shoot in a minute. All right, now I got the flowers, so I need to cut them real quick. I'm losing daylight, y'all. I'm losing daylight. So I'm about to go down here and cut these flowers real quick. Giselle is gonna be my little helper, and then we are gonna get this photo shoot underway. So I have my bathtub ready and my flowers and my milk, and look at my makeup counter. Whoop, and that's me with the belly. I think maybe first I should kind of put some of the flowers how I want them.
Oh no. You keeping that in there?
No, I'm gonna move that.
No, I'll move it for you.
Thank you.
I guess it's about the same height. What's the little?
You gonna take a few more, like, or you think that's enough?
I can take some more. It doesn't matter.
Maybe I could take some like laying all the way down flat.
Okay.
Probably gotta pour like, well, you can pour like a lot, like up to like a half gallon, and we'll see how much more I need. They said it like, depending on your tub, you might need a whole gallon. Well, that's like less than half. Mix it up. Yeah, I want it a little more white because it's still like blue. Put the flowers.
Yeah. Why is your the
Does this look like it's too much water?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
So what
kinda
flower you want me to put in?
Just these.
What flower you want me to put in?
Hold on, Giselle. Let me see something real quick. I guess not. I see like I'm gonna be like way down here.
Your water.
I gotta put my legs up. Let me let some water out. It's too deep.
Your flowers in here.
Hold it like that.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Giselle.
Oh, look, Mommy. Look, Mommy.
No, Daddy's taking a picture, so I have to look down.
Bring some of the flowers up that one.
I'm recording.
Look.
Daddy, do I have to stand on this stool and record?
You can get down.
I don't want to.
What you asked for?
That's where you might need glasses.
This wraps it up. About to get out. Gabriel helped me.
You good right there?
He's my photographer. We got our lighting. And that's a wrap. You're supposed to do the little camera thing. A little action. Alright guys, so we just finished the bathtub photo shoot. Bam. I'm just so excited because I always wanted to do this. Like ever since I've been pregnant and I've been looking at photo shoots, I was like, oh yeah, I want to do the milk bath photo shoot, and it's inexpensive. All you need is a bathtub, a gallon of water, a bathtub, a gallon of milk, and some fresh flowers and somebody to take the pictures, and that's pretty much it because we really didn't want to spend a lot of money on pictures this time around. We did photo shoot pictures with Giselle, but it's like, I don't know. I didn't want to spend a lot of money, but I wanted to do something, and I thought this was really, really cool. So let me know below, comment below, and let me know how you liked it, if you ever seen this before, and what you thought of it. I'm enjoying my makeup. My makeup off flake, y'all. I did film this makeup look, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, be on the lookout for the makeup look. I'm also going to do a hair vlog video for my relaxer because I went and got a relaxer this morning. So yes, I'm glad I was able to get all this stuff done before the baby came, because that's what I was like, oh my god, I hope I don't go into labor before I'm able to do this photo shoot, because I really wanted to do it for you all. And that's it. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.